Here's a video to show you how to crimp your PEX water lines to make them watertight. It's really easy to do. You're just going to need the right tool. You need a crimper. This one right here is from iCrimp. It's really affordable, the most affordable one I've seen, and it works really, really well. Got a link in the description below. Also, all the other tools that we're going to be using here, check the link in the description. You can find them there. All right, the first thing that we're going to want to do is prepare the ends of our PEX. And to do that, we're going to take this little tool right here from SharkBite, place it in. This is the 1/2 inch side here. You'll see a little white strip come out. That's just making sure all those burrs are gone. Got that one done. Do the same thing over here to this one. Next, we need the fitting to put the two pieces of pipe together. I'm going to use this elbow coming from SharkBite. This is a 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. They actually make these in straight pieces if you need to make a long run, but if you want to turn, you're going to use the elbow, but they all work the same. We're going to take one of these SharkBite clamps. This is a 1/2 inch clamp. I'm going to place it over the PEX pipe, just like that. Then I'm going to push this tube, this PEX tube, onto the elbow, just like that. Now you want to go all the way to the end here. Then you take this clamp and it pushes to these two black pieces here. That lines it up perfectly to be clamped in. All right, now we're going to take our iCrimp. We're going to make sure we're on setting number 1 because that is our crimping mode on this thing. We're going to take it. We'll go right over that fitting just like that. And then we're just going to squeeze together. Once it goes all the way in, release. And this thing is crimped on. It isn't moving and it's watertight. And we're going to do the same thing at the top. And then you'll crimp it right there. And this elbow will be watertight, connecting two pieces of PEX. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.